Also, doctor, let's suppose if a person has gone down the surgery is successful, everything is successful, and also let's suppose a person was suffering from piles or hemorrhoids, and then with the medications and everything, the problem has been cured. A lot of people think that, okay, now the problem is cured, now we might not get the problem again. Or if they have gone down surgery, they think that it might not occur again because we have already done the operation and the surgery. So would you say that it is a correct way? I mean, we should think like that, or it can also happen again. So we should be careful about it.
This is one of the best question you asked. So even after surgery, you may get piles. So
Okay.
let me explain first. So
Yeah.
basically, piles may occur 3, 7, 11 o'clock. If you see, you can see.
Okay.
If you think
Okay.
like this is watch, like this is 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, 6 and 12
Correct.
o'clock. So
Uh-huh.
basically 3, 7, 11. These are the primary piles. Most of the patients will suffer with primary piles only. So
Uh-huh.
whenever you are having surgery,
Mhm.
you are done with surgery. Mostly these anal cushion 3, 7, 11 cushion is removed. Other parts like 1, 2, 5. These are the things where normal cushion present there. So even after surgery, when you are not following diet restrictions, you are not following your physical activity, if your sleep is disturbed, still you are having constipation, then again these are the normal cushion where pressure may occur, then ultimately it leads to piles. So even after you are done with surgery, you may get piles if you are not conscious about your diet, physical
Mhm.
activity and sleep.
So, whatever the situation may be, we must be very careful about this thing, and we should, we should take all the measures so that it doesn't occur again. Okay, great, great. So, doctor, also, is there any myth attached to piles or hemorrhoids that you would like to burst right now and
Mm,
to that this thing?
so one must consult a specialist. This is a very important thing I want to tell every viewers and every
Mm-hmm.
file specialist that whenever you are suffering with any anorectal problems, mainly bleeding, whenever you are having bleeding while defecation, or whenever you are suffering with pain, whenever you are suffering with fissure, whenever you are suffering with constipation,
Mm-hmm.
so there are many things involved presenting these symptoms. So you must consult a specialist. It is not always you are suffering with piles. That may be fissure, that may be any fistula, that may even
Okay.
sometimes these basic symptoms may present in anorectal cancers. So you must consult a specialist whenever you are having even simply you are suffering with constipation, as constipation is involved with many things, many other
Yeah.
pathologies involved to occur constipation. And these are the things what I want to tell all the viewers.
Okay, okay. But doctor, before I let you go, one last question. So that you actually have mentioned that you work in an Ayurvedic hospital. So I would like to know from you, as per Ayurveda, would you like to recommend something to the audiences? Because there are too many churans and those powders that are available in the market to for constipation, to get released from constipation. And so is there any particular powder or churn or anything that you would like to recommend to the people, so if they are going through such a problem, so they can have that?
Ayurveda is not like simply you're taking some medicine, you're
Uh-huh.
cured with symptoms.
Okay.
Ayurveda is patient specific, not medicine specific, not disease specific. If
Yes.
you are suffering with any problem, if even you are suffering with constipation, you must consult a doctor.
Okay.
Medicine is different person to person. So I don't want to tell any specific medicine you can take. So
Uh-huh.
before you are suffering with any symptoms, you must consult Ayurvedic specialist to take Ayurvedic medicines.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Ayurvedic medicine is person to person different. Okay,
Yeah.
and it involves many things like your prakriti, constitution, your body
Mm-hmm.
type, your dosha involvement. Everything is
Yeah.
involved. So you must consult a Ayurvedic specialist to use Ayurvedic medicines.
Okay, because Ayurveda, yeah, like this said that Ayurveda works from the roots of of people. It actually basically checks the roots, and that's how it cures you.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it doesn't always recommend you a particular medicine, but it always checks the root, and then it helps you
Yes,
in getting cured. Okay, thank you so much, doctor. Thank you so much for coming to the channel and speaking with us. And it was such an informative conversation and such an informative session, and I'm sure a lot of people must have helped themselves and have got a lot of answers about piles slash hemorrhoids, because it is one topic that people normally shy away from. And also, these are some questions that people don't generally ask, because they still think that it is a taboo, and okay, how can we talk about it? If we talk about it, we'll be made fun of. So
yes, sir.
thank you so much for clearing the confusion and clearing the question.
Thank you so much. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.